Case Study, Sprint Meeting, Project Meeting 2 for Business Requirements and Analysis by Auner. Let's review the roles of a business analyst again. They define the business requirements, they plan the requirements approach, they identify project stakeholders and user classes, they elicit requirements, they analyze requirements, they document requirements, they communicate requirements, and they lead requirements validation. They facilitate requirements prioritization, and they manage requirements. This is cited through Chapter 4 of the Software Requirements book by Carl Wagner. Case study goals. Students will attend this sprint meeting. This is a second team project meeting and play the part of a business analyst. At the beginning of this meeting, you would be giving your presentation, sharing all of your project requirements documentation that you carefully prepared for the previous assignment. The product owner and other team members would be carefully listening to your project proposals. And the product owner, me again, will review what you've covered in your presentation and share any changes that were missed and or whether there are additional changes to the project. Students will gather the new requirements as told by the product owner, and students should take notes as project requirements are being explained. Based on the information shared by the product owner, your position as a business analyst is to update the project requirements by creating and updating the following. Update the user stories required with additional subtasks as needed. Update the use case diagram showing all stakeholders, customers, participants who use or work with the project. 3. Update your proposal on the database layer, including an entity relationship diagram. 4. Update your proposal on the report layer, including report design samples. 5. Update your proposal on the software layer, including UML class diagrams. 6. Update your proposal on the web design layer, including web design samples. 7. Update your proposal on the user experience layer. 8. Update and prioritize the product backlog. You'll be creating a new presentation along with your recording going over each of the above project requirements documentation as if you're presenting it during your next sprint team meeting with the product owner and the rest of the project team. In the above requirements, as well as your recorded presentation, please note what has changed. It's important that you cite any pictures or other information used from other websites. Include author and links if possible. For example, if it's a picture of an actual hotel room, then be sure to cite the source and link within that part of the presentation. Do not copy entire hotel sites or entire pages. No credit will be given for copying most of another site. It's important you do your own web design. It's important to use your own web design, user experience, database design, and development skills. Project requirements, listen carefully. This is a quick summary of the changes and additions. I forgot to tell you the cost of our regular rooms. The rooms with 2 queen beds are $110 each. The rooms with 1 king bed, they are $120 each. We've decided we are remodeling some more and decided to add 5 suite rooms. Each has a separate bedroom with a door with 2 queen beds and an adjoining living room. This living room area has a fold-out couch. There are televisions in both rooms, and the cost of these suite rooms are $145 each. I forgot to mention we have an indoor pool and a whirlpool. Children must be accompanied by adults in the pool area as there are no lifeguards. The hours are children and adults 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., adults only from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I forgot to mention that we have a daily continental breakfast in the kitchen area next to the lobby from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. All of these changes should be listed on the new website. Perhaps the pool and the whirlpool information should be a new tab on the website. I think those are the only required changes I can see now. Let's meet in about 3 weeks to see how the project is going. Thank you.